امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے ایک بار پھر پاک بھارت سمیت 7 جنگیں رکوانے کا کریڈٹ لے لیا۔ اقوام متحدہ سے خطاب کرتے ہوئے کہا 7 ماہ میں 7 جنگیں رکوانا اعزاز کی بات ہے، ساتھ ہی اقوام متحدہ کو بھی تنقید کے نشانے پر لے لیا۔ ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے دعویٰ کیا اقوام متحدہ نے ایک بھی جنگ رکوانے میں مدد نہ کی۔
Period of just 7 months, I have ended 7 unendable wars. They said they were unendable. You're never going to get them solved. Some were going for 31 years, 2 of them, 31, think of it, 31 years. One was 36 years. One was 28 years. I ended 7 wars. And in all cases, they were raging with countless thousands of people being killed. This includes Cambodia and Thailand, Kosovo and Serbia, the Congo and Rwanda, a vicious, violent war that was, Pakistan and India, Israel and Iran, Egypt and Ethiopia, and Armenia and Azerbaijan. Very honored to have done it. It's too bad that I had to do these things instead of the United Nations doing them. And sadly, in all cases, the United Nations did not even try to help in any of them. I ended 7 wars, dealt with the leaders of each and every one of these countries, and never even received a phone call from the United Nations offering to help in finalizing the deal.